Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another important testnet airdrop called Camp Network. As you can see, they have already raised 29 million in funding and it's a confirmed airdrop, which is great. If you look at their investors, as you can see, Blockchain Capital is their lead investor, along with OKX Ventures and lots of tier 2, 3 and 4 investors backing them. If you visit their X handle right now, they have 497k followers. If you scroll down, you'll notice they share lots of information about their project and they are really active here, which is another positive sign. To join the airdrop, I'll provide the Telegram link in the description. Simply click this first link and you will land on this page. Simply click on Connect Wallet, then select MetaMask. Then click Connect. Then Confirm. And it's done. As you can see, there are lots of tasks you will find here, so you simply need to complete all these. For example, as you can see, if you complete this task, you will get 1 point. To complete this, click on Go to X, then follow, come back and click Claim. As you can see, 1 point is added. Similarly, you need to complete all of these tasks to maximize your points. Now click here to get your referral link and you can share this link with friends to boost points. Click on this account section, then click on edit profile, then here put your name and save. Then click on this accounts and wallet section. Here you need to connect your X account, then join Discord, Telegram and connect your email and save changes. Now click on this link and you'll land on this page. Click here on sign in, then choose MetaMask. Then click connect and then approve. Then here click on progress and you will see lots of options. Click on the quest section and here also you will find lots of tasks to complete. For example, click on this task, then follow, go back and click claim, and it's done. Similarly, you need to complete all these tasks. Now click on this link and you will land on this page. Camp Network has launched a campaign on layer 3. Complete the task to interact more with the project and increase your chances of getting the airdrop. Now click on this link and you will land on this page. Camp, in partnership with Clusters, has announced clusters on the Camp Testnet. Get your own Camp ID to stand out from other participants. Click here to connect your wallet. Then select EVM wallet. Then choose MetaMask and then click connect. Now click on join community. Then choose your name. Then click on join community. And then confirm. Make sure to complete all these tasks to qualify for their airdrops. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.